See a fire engine, 911. Flight 93, checking posting 5, trying to call me Melton. You want to know when Nancy Family's lifeline won't be allowed to work? Just one 93 check call in a dozen years of asking the world to check their lifeline. No mail. About any of my imagery or videos, and yes, even the song. Biden burns the children. The Pope burns the children. Admiral Gilday, top of the Navy. Oh, Berger as well. He's top Marine, I think. Haven't checked recently. And Ray, FBI Ray, burns the children. Make a video of your hijack call to me. See all those folks. Burning your family's lifeline and get it on video. Time, date, number, doubt. It's contributing to that plague nowadays. You can't reach them. You have no idea how many folks out there you can't reach to tell to wear a mask, keep their distance. I know, yeah, Melton's imagery makes for some good masks. Print them out on them. I'm not making any money off my graphic art. And I'm certainly not making any money off of building the Lord's house. Those 1,000 points of light. I'm calmly and patiently waiting. Come see me. Have wit will travel, show me the perfect place to build the Lord's house, those 1,000 points of light. And yeah, it used to be all dark brown. It's not the reverse camera, otherwise I'd show you, but smaller, browner circles gone. Bigger, bluer circles growing in through and around. Build those opportunity houses, those points of light. With my rebuilding eyes. Come see me. Let's get started. You see someone besides me in the 50,000 plus graphic art photos like these. You see someone besides me there. Someone's torn down the Great Wall of Evil. Yeah, me and gold. Someone has torn down that Great Wall of Evil and we've started to build. Be a part of that. And yeah, all of you folks out there, how many times? Dignity Health, FBI Ray, Navy folks, how many times have I been brought up around you? How many times did they have that pocket dock a-going? Those audio makers go for a week, more than that. You got that nice 32 gigabyte card. Remember to clear them off, of course, when you get something interesting. And yeah, bring me up. If they don't know about me particularly, I'm a handsome ball guy. It's late. I need to get to bed. Especially those folks in those positions. Bring me up and they don't know. So it makes sure that they are doing the right thing. And yeah, back up going forward. Positive stuff next door, that Navy, I showed you that one already. That Navy fleet of AT&T vehicles, they bought Spectrum. It's been a little bit silent lately. That's a step in the right direction. But yeah, back up going forward in front of folks like newscasters, network news folks, Navy folks perhaps, Marines. Back up going forward. Yeah, you hit that button. Why should you do that? Because it's not news. It should be easily documented news, but it's not news. So when you back up going forward in front of folks, it lets them know. The people, true believers, just plain good folks are keeping an eye on you. So they are less likely, even though it's not news, they are less likely to let that dangerous Gilday, Biden's thug, with the Navy, less likely to be that thug. Give them a little more of a hard time when they want to conduct war on the American people. The Navy, yes, I've witnessed a lot of that. They want to spend more of their resources conducting war. Kevin Bauer here lately. Then they want to spend those resources overseas and in the seas. Protecting America, protecting the world. Get on video, you hijack, call to me, and post and repost Milton's imagery. Come see me. Have Whitwood Travel. Show me the perfect place to build the Lord's house. Best people to build with. You gotta do it in person. The devil steals your calls. Yeah, I gotta get to the cabinet, but Biden's cabinet, just one handsome bald guy working on them. Get me, my disciples. Yes, the lightning bolt lord, that's me. The skyscraper, son of a carpenter and Mary. Daddy Carpenter worked on skyscrapers, Mom Mary Ann. Come see me in person. Tell me what you think. And yeah, I'll put you right there in Melton's imagery.